name is Dr. Brian Anderson. I'm here to help you go beyond traditional healthcare. On this channel, we'll be discussing things to help you improve your health and quality of life. You see, my goal is to help as many people as possible live the quality of life that they deserve. You see, in the United States, there are two distinct models of healthcare. There's sick care, which involves the management of chronic disease and illness. And then there's well care. And well care is what we're about. We're about optimizing your health, improving your quality of life. We'll be discussing things including innovative nutritional strategies, things like cutting-edge peptides, hormone optimization, and injury care. So injury care, we tend to use injectable treatments such as PRP, prolotherapy, and the like. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email. Thank you so much.